What if I told you that everything you think you know about growing on YouTube is wrong? You've heard it all before. Make great content. Be consistent. Find your niche. But what if the fastest growing channels are using a secret playbook? A darker, more controversial set of rules that bends and sometimes breaks the YouTube game. Today, we'll be pulling back the curtain on the forbidden growth hacks that top creators use but will never admit to. Let's start with the most obvious one. Clickbait. But I'm not talking about just a flashy title. I'm talking about next level psychological warfare. It's about creating a curiosity gap so wide you can't help but click. Think titles that pose a shocking question, promise a dramatic reveal, or hint at a massive failure. The thumbnail. It's not just a picture, it's a carefully crafted piece of art designed to trigger an emotional response. Bright colors exaggerate facial expressions. Big red arrows pointing at, well, sometimes nothing at all. The goal isn't just to get a click, it's to make the viewer feel like they need asterisks to know what happens next. It's a game of expectations, and the masters of this game know exactly how to play you. But getting the click is only half the battle. How do you keep the algorithm on your side? Enter comment bait. You've seen this everywhere. Polls in the video, questions at the end, like what do you think? Let me know in the comments. But the real dark art here is intentional controversy. Creators will deliberately say something slightly polarizing or leave a small, noticeable mistake in their video. Why? To get you talking, to get you arguing in the comments. Every comment, good or bad, is a signal to the YouTube algorithm that this video is engaging. More engagement means more recommendations, and more recommendations mean more views. They're literally farming your outrage for algorithmic juice. It's genius, and it's a little bit evil. Now, let's talk about manipulating the algorithm directly. This is where things get really murky. Ever seen a video that seems to be about one thing, but then suddenly pivots to a completely different trending topic? That's called trendjacking. A creator might start a video about their daily routine, but then spend 10 minutes talking about the latest internet drama. They'll stuff their description and tags with keywords from that trending topic, tricking the algorithm into showing their video to a massive new audience. It's a pretend switch for the algorithm itself. Another tactic is the engagement bot. This is where a group of creators agrees to watch, like, and comment on each other's videos the second they're uploaded. This creates an artificial burst of initial engagement, telling YouTube, hey, this video's hot. The algorithm then pushes it out to a wider audience, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy of success. And what about the view time? You know that YouTube loves long watch sessions. Some creators have perfected the art of the endless loop. They structure their videos in a way that the end seamlessly flows back into the beginning. Or they'll use cliffhangers and promise a part 2, forcing you to stay on their channel. Others create super long, 10-hour videos of ambient sounds or looping animations. These aren't meant to be watched actively. They're designed to be played in the background, racking up insane amounts of watch hours and pleasing the algorithmic gods. It's less about content and more about gaming the metric that matters most. Let's move from growth to money, because once you have the views, you have to monetize them. And this is where the gray area gets even grayer. Affiliate marketing is a standard practice. But what about promoting questionable products? You might see a creator you trust suddenly pushing a sketchy VPN service, a dubious online course promising to make you rich overnight, or even unregulated supplements. They get a huge commission for every sale, but they're leveraging your trust to sell you something that might not be in your best interest. They'll frame it as helping you out, but really, they're just cashing in on their audience's loyalty, sometimes at the audience's expense. Then there's the sponsorship game. Big brands pay big money, but some creators will take sponsorships from anyone, regardless of ethics. You might see a gaming channel suddenly promoting a mobile game with predatory microtransactions, or a lifestyle vlogger pushing fast fashion from a company with questionable labor practices. The creator gets a fat paycheck, and the brand gets access to a trusting audience. It becomes a moral compromise where the line between recommendation and paid advertisement gets incredibly blurry. The disclosure might be mumbled in the middle of the video or hidden in the description, making it easy to miss. So, here's the big question. Should you use these tactics? The truth is, the YouTube landscape is incredibly competitive. For every creator playing by the official rules, There's another one using these controversial hacks and seeing explosive growth. It creates a massive pressure to bend the rules just to keep up. It's a digital arms race, and right now, the controversial tactics are winning. While some of these strategies are just clever marketing, others stray into manipulation and ethical gray zones. The risk is losing your audience's trust. A clickbait title might get you a view, but if the content doesn't deliver, that viewer will never click on your videos again. Promoting a bad product might make you a quick buck, but it can permanently damage your reputation. The most successful creators, the ones with real longevity, often find a balance. They might use a spicy title, but they always back it up with incredible value in the video. They engage their audience without resorting to cheap, rage-baiting tricks. Ultimately, the power lies with us, the viewers. We decide what gets rewarded with our attention. When we click on outrageous thumbnails, engage with manufactured drama, and buy products from sketchy sponsors, we're telling the algorithm to promote more of that content. The YouTube game is constantly evolving, and these controversial hacks are just one part of its complex ecosystem. So, the next time you see a video blowing up for what seems like no reason, look a little closer. You might just see the hidden hand of these forbidden growth hacks at play. Thanks for diving into the dark side of YouTube with me. It's a wild world out there. If you found this interesting, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and maybe let me know in the comments about the craziest growth hack you've ever seen. Stay savvy out there.